Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today, we're unboxing the Vivo Y500, a phone that hasn't even hit the global market yet. This device promises not just powerful battery life, but also full-level waterproof protection. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. So what's inside the box? Right on top, we get a transparent protective case, a quick start guide, and underneath that, a 90-watt fast charger along with a data cable. And here it is, the Vivo Y500. The unit I have comes in a color called Glacier Blue. The back has a silky matte texture that feels smooth to the touch and keeps fingerprints away. Its camera module carries the same large circular design we've seen on the Vivo X200S. It does stick out a little, but the phone itself remains impressively slim. At first glance, this definitely feels like a mid to high-end model. Moving to the display, it features a 6.77-inch OLED flat screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels are super slim on all four sides, and with a peak brightness of 5,000 nits, visibility under direct sunlight is absolutely no issue. Now let's talk about the real highlight, the battery. The Vivo Y500 packs a massive 8,200 mAh Blue Ocean battery, the largest ever in Vivo's history. And even with that huge capacity, the phone is only 8.23 millimeters thick. Paired with 90 watts fast charging, you can finally say goodbye to battery anxiety. Next up, the sound system. This phone has dual stereo speakers with an oversized sound chamber. The main speaker alone can push volume up to 700%, giving you a surprisingly powerful audio experience, like having a mini stereo in your pocket. Durability has also been taken to the next level. The Vivo Y500 comes with IP68 and IP69+ waterproof ratings, meaning you can rinse it directly underwater or even use it with wet hands without worry. Its drop resistance is solid too, and the included protective case has airbag cushioning at all four corners for extra safety. On top of that, this is the first Vivo phone to receive the Gold Label 5-star anti-aging certification, making it one of the most durable devices the brand has ever produced. And here's the best part. The Vivo Y500 is set to officially launch on September 1st. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.